FDF version 2 Mega Mantis kit for the 350Z. This is the on-car adjustable version, which is a lifesaver. Let's make it in focus there. Come on. Really? You don't want to do it? Guess not. Okay, anyways. Which is a lifesaver when trying to align these things, because having to take this arm completely off, adjust it a few times, reinstall it, and then remeasure your dimensions or whatever, takes forever. Now, we loosen these up, adjust it with a big Allen, in and out, done. And so if you are familiar with FDF, you can see the huge complete design change for the knuckles. Before they had a tube up top here, along with like a kind of a box design behind the knuckle. This is a solid piece of steel. I think it looks like, to me, it looks like a stronger design. I'm not really sure, can't really speak to that, but it looks like it. Got the billet rack offset spacers, all the hardware, and the new lower control arm design, which eliminates that tension arm that's bolt on. It's all one solid piece now, which is preferable. So you have adjustable shock mounting points here, adjustable sway bar mount points here. This is a new little redesign. I'm assuming this is the bump stop. And then for this, if I can get this thing off, also on-car adjustable. So that's a huge thing with 350Zs, because you guys know you have to drop, before, if you had the non-on-car adjustable versions of any kits, you have to drop the 8-point brace down there and then adjust that. And then reinstall everything and then measure and all that jazz. So this, huge time saver for alignments. So yeah, version 2. We're gonna go Monday out to Hexa Motorsports in Santa Rosa, and where my car is currently, and uninstall the version 1 kit, install the version 2 kit, kind of give you guys a side-by-side of the kits. I don't think this kit is capable of any more angle, and if it was, it would be 90 degrees, because the other, the original Mega Mantis I'll post a picture here in a second of how much lock I was able to achieve with that kit. So I think it's just overall a new redesign that looks more strong, more structurally sound, as well as on-car adjustable, which I wanted. And yeah. Oh, by the way, too, they don't advertise, at least at this point right now, which is we were in July of 2021. FDF doesn't advertise on-car adjustable, but they do offer it. So you can message them and request on-car adjustable. It is a little more money, obviously, because it requires more work, but definitely worth it if you plan on drifting your car frequently and driving your car hard, because as you all know, if you drift, your alignment is gonna get messed up. So anyways, Monday we'll be out there and we will get this thing installed. Pretty stoked. All right, real quick side-by-side comparison of the new FDF Mega Mantis version 2 kit for the 350Z. I was running the old version 1 kit, completely redesigned. It's also now on-car adjustable camber. Where'd it go? On-car adjustable caster. I believe, yeah. So before the your strut mount was fixed on the version 1, now you have adjustable strut mounts version 2. Sway bar locations, which I think was also a fixed location on the version 1. So a lot of upgrades. Also, they have a, so I can get zoomed in on there. Right there, that little Allen on top of that, they have a little tie rod steering rack bolt lock nut, I guess you could call it. The bump stops there have also been redesigned, and they hit on the Heim joint of the tie rod there instead of on the knuckle. So a lot of revisions went into the version 2. So pretty stoked to have this kit on here. Hopefully we can get this thing to fire up soon so I can actually go drive it. There's a little look at the old one on the car. You can see what I'm talking about with the fixed strut mount, fixed sway bar locations. The bump stop was just on the end of the control arm and hit the knuckle there. No on-car adjustability. No tie rod. Steering rack bolt lock nut. None of that stuff. So huge improvement.